Welcome back. In this video, we're going to set up the Android emulator in Android Studio. The Android emulator in Android Studio is a virtual device that simulates an Android smartphone, tablet, Wear OS, or other Android devices on your computer. It allows developers to test, debug, and preview their apps without needing a physical device. Open Android Studio, select More Actions, and select Virtual Device Manager. You can click on this plus to create a virtual device or click this blue one. I need to select a phone. You can select the tablet, Wear OS, desktop, TV, and others. But for this course, we're going to use the phones. Also, you can select from a bunch of devices your preferable device. Okay, I'll use Pixel 6 Pro. Click Next, and you need to download a system image. I'll select API 35 and click Download. Wait for the SDK component installer to finish downloading and installing the API 35. Click Finish, and here we go. We can now select the API 35. Click Next, select the Startup Orientation Portrait. You can rename your AVD device, whatever you want. Then click Finish. Here we go. This is our Pixel Fold API 35. You can create another device having the same image. You can select like Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 8 Pro. Next, you can use the same image. Next, click Finish, and here you are creating two devices. I'll run the Pixel 8 Pro API 35. And here we go. This is our emulator. Congratulations, guys. We created our Android virtual device, which is the emulator. And the key features of the Android emulator: you can make a device simulation, emulates various hardware configurations, phones, tablets, foldable phones, and wearables, TVs, supports different screen sizes, resolutions, and densities. Android OS versions, you can test apps on multiple Android versions, easily switch between versions without changing physical device. Also, you can select the hardware sensor simulation, which is a GPS location. By clicking on these three dots, you can select another extended and advanced controls. You can select the display, cellular, battery, camera, location, phone, directional pad, microphone, fingerprint, virtual sensors, bug report, and others. So you can simulate many things in emulators. Also, you can install APKs directly, run applications in debug mode to inspect errors, hot reload for quick code testing. Also, you can take screenshots for the current screen. Also, you can record and playback. So I can start recording. For example, if I am lecturing about settings in Android and how to enable the debug mode, for example, you can start recording like this. Stop recording, you can play it, and you can see this is the screen that we recorded. Okay, so congratulations, guys. This is the Android emulator. The Android emulator in Android Studio is a virtual device that simulates an Android smartphone, tablet, wearable, or other Android devices on your computer. It allows developers to test, debug, and preview their applications without needing a physical device.